Hello there, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our cosmic corner of the internet. Today, we're going to delve into a captivating subject, NASA's planetary defense. Yes, you heard it right. NASA is on a mission to protect our planet from potential hazards in space, and we're here to shed light on their endeavors. So, what does NASA's planetary defense entail? In a nutshell, it focuses on identifying and tracking asteroids and comets that might pose a threat to our planet. NASA's planetary defense efforts are crucial to protecting Earth from potential asteroid and comet impacts. The space agency has been actively monitoring near-Earth objects (NEOs) and developing strategies to mitigate potential threats. This essay will explore NASA's planetary defense initiatives, including detection and tracking, impact risk assessment, and deflection and disruption techniques, detection and tracking. The first step in planetary defense is detecting and tracking NEOs. NASA uses a combination of ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to identify and monitor asteroids and comets that come within 1.3 astronomical units of Earth's orbit. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. The agency's Planetary Defense Coordination Office (PDCO) works closely with international partners to share data and coordinate observations. NASA's Near-Earth Object Program (NEOP) is responsible for detecting and tracking NEOs. The program uses various telescopes, including the Space Watch Telescope at the University of Arizona and the Pan-STARRS Telescope in Hawaii. Impact risk assessment. Once an NEO is detected, NASA assesses its impact risk. The agency uses sophisticated software to predict the object's trajectory and determine the likelihood of an impact. The impact risk is calculated based on the object's size, shape, composition, and velocity. NASA uses the Torino scale to categorize the impact risk. The scale ranges from 0 no hazard to 10 certain collision. The agency also uses the Palermo scale, which takes into account the object's size and velocity to estimate the potential damage. Deflection and disruption techniques. If an NEO is deemed a potential threat, NASA develops strategies to deflect or disrupt it. The agency has developed various techniques, including 1. Kinetic impactor method. This involves colliding a spacecraft with the NEO to change its trajectory. 2. Gravity tractor method. A spacecraft uses its gravity to slowly pull the NEO off its original course. 3. Solar sail method. A spacecraft uses the pressure of sunlight to propel the NEO away from Earth. 4. Nuclear explosive method. A nuclear explosion is used to disrupt or deflect the NEO. NASA has also developed the Double Asteroid Redirection Test DART mission, which aims to demonstrate the kinetic impactor method. The mission will test the effectiveness of deflecting an asteroid using a spacecraft. International cooperation. Planetary defense is a global effort, and NASA collaborates with international partners to share data, resources, and expertise. The agency works closely with the European Space Agency (ESA), the Russian Federal Space Agency Roscosmos, and the Chinese National Space Administration (CNSA) to develop common standards and protocols. NASA also participates in the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space (COPUOS), which aims to promote international cooperation in space exploration and development. Challenges and future directions. Despite significant progress, planetary defense faces several challenges. One of the main challenges is detecting small asteroids and comets that can still cause significant damage. NASA is developing new technologies such as the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope LSST to detect smaller objects. Another challenge is developing effective deflection and disruption techniques. NASA is conducting research and development to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of these methods. Conclusion: NASA's planetary defense efforts are crucial to protecting Earth from potential asteroid and comet impacts. The agency's detection and tracking capabilities, impact risk assessment, and deflection and disruption techniques are essential to mitigating potential threats. International cooperation and continued research and development are necessary to ensure the safety of our planet. NASA's planetary defense initiatives demonstrate the agency's commitment to protecting Earth and its inhabitants. As the agency continues to explore space and push the boundaries of human knowledge, it remains vigilant in its duty to defend our planet against potential threats from space. Thank you so much for joining us on this Space Odyssey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more thrilling content like this one. Until next time, keep exploring.